This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter the higher resolution mode in the camera of this device. So if you would like to take a very high resolution pictures with an remarkable level of details, just scroll to the more section of camera modes and choose the ultra res mode over here. And now the pictures that we will take will be shot in or using the 50 megapixels of the camera, which will result in the photos having a very decent level of details, as you can see. And well, if I'll go into the pictures specifications or details, you'll see that its resolution is 6144 by 8192, and the megapixels used for this photo the value was 50.3. So that will be pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.